Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 7 is stuck on charging screen. So, your iPhone 7 shows a red battery icon with a charging cable when you try to turn it on. You plug the phone into a charger. The cable disappears from the screen and it starts charging. However, after 1 hour or more, you still find iPhone 7 stuck on red battery charging screen. You might have tried restarting the iPhone 7 but it still goes back to the low battery screen. Generally, the stuck red battery logo screen could result from dead battery, faulty charging accessories, malfunctioning power source, a basic software glitch, extreme temperature, or broken charging port. Now, keep watching this video to try some proven solutions. And all the steps will work for an iPhone 7 Plus that is stuck on charging screen. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Put the iPhone 7 in an ambient temperature. As researched, your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus works best at 0 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius. Too hot or too cold environments might disrupt the system and lead to performance issues like iPhone 7 stuck on charging screen. So, unplug the charging cable and take your iPhone 7 to a place at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. It's okay if your iPhone 7 immediately goes back to the screen showing a red battery with a cable. Then, connect the device to the charger again and wait enough time to juice up the dead battery. If your iPhone 7 charges and turns back on, then the temperature is the reason. In the future, avoid putting the phone in direct sunlight or freezing areas. Step 2. Inspect the charging cable, charger and power source. Checking charging accessories is a necessary troubleshooting step for charging issues. Here's a recommended checklist for fixing the iPhone 7 stuck on the charging screen. 1. Use Apple or Apple-certified charging accessories. 2. Take a close look at the charging cable and charger for physical damage or wear. 3. Test if the charging cable, charger and power source work for charging other devices. 4. Switch to new cables or chargers to take a charge. Hope you now get iPhone 7 out of the stuck charging screen and make it back up and running. Step 3. Remove dirt from the charging port. When juicing up your iPhone 7, the charging port plays a crucial role. It helps deliver power efficiently and safely from the outlet to the device. If there is lint or dust buildup or the pins inside the port are bent, they can obstruct the connection and cause the iPhone 7 to get stuck on the red battery screen. Now, use a flashlight to look inside the charging port. If you find the pins or contactors are damaged, take it to a repair store to fix it. If there is lint, dust or debris, use a soft and dry toothbrush to clean it away. Then, plug the cable into the iPhone 7 to charge and see if you get it back to normal. Step 4. Force reboot your iPhone 7 while charging. To rule out the software glitches, performing a force restart is an ideal option. It removes the errors and helps you get out of charging screen stuck on iPhone 7 without affecting the data and content stored on the device. Here's how to do that. Keep your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus charge and press and hold both the volume down button and power button together for a few seconds. When the Apple logo appears, let go of both buttons and wait for the restart to complete. If everything goes well, the screen should turn back on while charging. If your iPhone 7 goes back to the empty battery screen and refuses to turn on, try the next step. Step 5. Enter recovery mode to get iPhone 7 out of the charging screen. Recovery mode is a troubleshooting environment that allows users to perform system-level recovery operations including update and restore. If the force restart doesn't work, it's worth a try to fix an iPhone 7 stuck on the red charging screen that won't turn on. To enter recovery mode, connect iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to a computer and open a specific tool. If you have a Windows PC or a Mac with Mac OS Mojave 10.14 or earlier, open iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, open Finder or Apple Devices app. On your device, hold down both the volume down and power button for a few seconds. The phone will pop up an Apple logo first, then show the restore screen with a laptop and a cord. Release both buttons. Your device will be quickly recognized by the computer and tool and a dialog box will appear. If your priority is data while fixing the iPhone 7 charging screen stuck, choose the Update option first from the dialog box. Complete the following instructions until the update process begins. If you're able to get past iPhone 7 stuck charging screen, you know that the culprit is the glitchy operating system. If the red battery screen still comes on, then repeat the steps and choose Restore option to bring the device back to its factory settings. Note that you're only advised to do that after all your essential data and files are backed up. Step 6. Warm iPhone 7 using a hairdryer. I know this step sounds weird, but it has received several positive feedback on the forum to get iPhone 7 back on from the red battery charging screen. If you haven't tried it, feel free to attempt it. Just disconnect your iPhone 7 from the cable and lay it face down. Then, use a hairdryer targeting the battery location, which is the phone's back right side and edge, for around 2 minutes. Then, test if your iPhone 7 unfreezes the stuck low battery logo screen and progress to boot up. If you worry that the infamous hairdryer trick might damage the phone, try the next solution. Step 7. Turn to an expert for inspecting iPhone 7's hardware. If none of the steps above could fix an iPhone 7 that's stuck on the red battery screen, then visit a service center to check the hardware. Possible problems might be related to the battery, power supply, the charging port, or the screen. Just book an appointment online and then get the device displaying the dead battery screen to an authorized Apple service center. The genius there will run a professional test if any part of the phone goes wrong. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus that's stuck on charging screen. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.